Hey everybody, this little scrap of conduit is going to be a specialized headset cup removal tool. It's just a leftover scrap of 1-inch rigid electrical conduit. We start by marking 4 lines on one end of it, leaving about 4 inches unmarked. The lines should be equally spaced so that the conduit is marked with 4 quarters. Now I'm using an angle grinder with a 4.5-inch cutoff wheel to cut all the way through the conduit along the 4 lines. You can see now that one end is split into 4 equal quarters. All that's left is to use a pair of needle nose pliers to slightly bend each of the 4 pieces outward. So that's how you make the tool. The last 30 seconds or so of this video show the tool being used. For more detailed info on how to replace a headset and other videos on how to make a headset press for the installation process, make sure to click the link. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it.